What's up, guys? We're here at the hill. It's been a long time with the ECX Barrage Gen2. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is hanging out with Mom there. Popeye's back at the house. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Guys, if you're new to the channel, just know that we have almost 1,500 RC family-friendly videos. Car was driving by. Sometimes, someone asked if we could tell them what was going on when we did a jump cut. So, jump cut, car went by. You asked. So today we're gonna drive the ECX Barrage Gen2 up the hill. And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but this hill is huge. It's giant. I mean, it's a struggle to climb up that hill. I have sandals on today and I'm I don't want this to flip over because I don't like climbing up this hill without good shoes on and it's muddy and stuff. So that's a big hill. I hope this thing can climb it. Now it has been raining, so I think that will help, that the ground is wet. I think it'll get some grip, but this is a very awesome and very capable truck. Gen 2 means upgrades. We have all kinds of metal links down below. Even the steering linkage is metal, and I love that. The lights are pre-installed. It's got LEDs. We have red on the back, white on the front. Let's go ahead and power that on. But if you guys want to see a very close, detailed look at this truck, we did an all-out unboxing of this. It's been a long time since we've done just a standard unboxing, and we talked about basically every little thing on this truck. I am very excited to drive this little crawler up the hill. And one cool thing about this that seems very appropriately timed is this truck will be at Horizon RC Fest. We will also be there, but this truck will be at the Try Me section. You guys can try crawling for free if you like to go to the event. We'll have information for the event linked in the description box below. But on Friday, they're going to do a very limited seating build kit for you and the family together. There's going to be a class on building this from the ground up. I don't know if it's filled up yet or not, but you have to pre-register to do that. By the way, that jump cut was me messing up. If you want to pre-register for that, it'll be linked in the description box below. I think there's like, I don't know, 20 seats of limited.
I can't remember.
And I don't know what's left. I know it's filling up and they had, that jump cut is me messing up. I think that it might be filling up quickly is what I'm trying to say. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not telling you guys why there's jump cuts in the videos because you'll know how many times I mess up. Let's see if this can climb up the hill. I am very excited. Oh no, before we do it. I'm sorry. I want to show you guys my battery setup because I changed from the nickel metal hydride battery that was in this stock and I changed it to a LiPo battery. Nice. I want to show you how easy it is. See this little jumper here? Now my truck is on, so I'm not going to move it, but you just unplug that, move it over, and pop it in for nickel metal, and then there's LiPo. It even tells you on the ESC, and then I am running a 4,000 milliamp 2-cell LiPo, even though I think this can handle up to 3-cell, according to the instructions in People. And what I did was, since the straps that were included were too small, I put a piece of Velcro there, and on the battery, and nice. So I got a nice big LiPo in there. We should probably be able to run like an hour and a half on this thing, which is amazing. But this battery will probably be, this video will probably be kind of short because I have talked for like an hour now and our camera battery is gonna die. Let's drive this. Okay, I am excited because I think we're gonna bring this to Horizon RC Fest with us, even though they're gonna have these here. I think I wanna bring this because it's, I think, what, 12th scale? Is that right? A little smaller than a 10th scale? Look at that go. Look at that go. Boom, baby. Just no problem at all. And look at those super bright lights. Can you see those from there on the camera?
Yep.
They look good.
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Well, I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. I need some input. I need some voting from you. What trucks should we bring to Horizon RC Fest? Our space is very limited because we're going to bring the whole family. Popeye, the kiddo, we're all going to be there. Me and Abby. And so we have very limited space. That means we got to pick some good stuff to bring. But I think this truck, as cool as it looks and as capable as it is, it's going to come with us. I want to drive in that King of the Hill that's going to be there. And check this out. See those RC Sailor stickers? I mean, this truck gets about a cool point, maybe about 88 on its own. You slap those RC Sailor stickers on there, cool point factor goes up by at least 2 per sticker. So if you guys want some RC Sailor stickers of your own, They're very waterproof, very high quality stickers. We'll have that linked in the description box below too. It's a really good way to support us because some of the proceeds go toward us and the channel, and then the rest is just the cost of the stickers and the shipping to get to you. Oh yeah. Okay, this thing is just conquering the hill. Let's go up the steepest part right toward the Frisbee golf section, and then when we get back down here, I'm going to do a little speed test and see how fast this goes, which is going to be slow because it's a crawler. Look at that. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Let's go down over the root. Think it can handle that? Uh-huh. It's a pretty big root. Oh no! Oh no!
I don't think you can handle it. I think the truck could have.
It's a very durable
reverse.
truck. So I just want you guys to see how fast the crawler can go, because some people just haven't ever bought a crawler. This is full throttle right here. Full throttle. And I believe this is actually considered more of a scaler than a crawler. So it drives a bit more scale than it does just built to crawl, which is also very cool. Abby, let's go down toward the roots here and get some close shots. You can't do a scale crawling video without getting some closer shots. Now, the ground being wet does help out a lot on that climbability, but those tires are really soft. That's nice clearance. I like having the weight in the front for climbing the hill.
Those lights look so good.
They do look good. Now going down over this, we're probably gonna flip. Oh, yeah! You see that going up?
Uh-oh, you're in some mud.
I am. Ooh. What am I actually stuck on though?
Just,
oh, my battery.
Oh, your battery.
My battery's dragging because of the flipping. Oh my gosh.
And he has the different battery setup. That's not how it's supposed to be.
Okay, you guys see there, that's where the battery fell out and it plopped down. So I don't have a really great system in here for my battery. Like if it flips and rolls, that's not a really awesome system. So it was trying to drag that block of a battery up the hill in the mud. Now we got it reset, so let's see if we can get back up here. Now I know this cannot clear that route, but I thought it'd be cool to climb up here. Maybe we can get in there. Yeah.
Oh wow, with muddy tires. I'm surprised it even got the front wheels over it.
Me too.
You're gonna have to go like one wheel at a time, I think.
Trying.
Yeah. Oh, back wheels.
I know. I'm gonna hop it. No, it's that left tire.
Oh,
there.
Oh, come on.
There we go. There we go. I got it. And we are up with completely muddy tires. I'm really surprised it made it. Look, get a close shot of what it just climbed over.
I know.
You think it can come back down that without flipping over?
I don't know. It's a little skill, you know.
Even this, I'm worried I'm going to roll. There we go. I'm excited to see some true skilled people at this event with their crawling trucks. They're going to be doing some stuff that probably to some people won't look like much, but to anyone that's ever driven a crawler, look, it made it. I mean,
yeah,
to anyone that's ever driven a crawler, you'll know, like, oh my gosh, that was a challenging spot.
Can I try the roots?
Absolutely. Let me just back it up and then I'll take the camera. I like that the tires are getting so muddy. This is like a mud bogger now. This is really cool because you can see it slipping, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Abby's at the controls and I got the camera.
Get out of that ditch.
That's a hard spot. If you can get that too, then that means this is just a really good little truck. I mean, that's...
You're a little higher than me.
Yeah,
it's hard for me to see over that. Let me know exactly.
Oh, easy, easy. Yeah, you gotta take that. Get those wheels up there.
Let me know which way to go.
Almost like that, but you gotta get that wheel. There you go. Oh, too far, too far, too far, too far, too far, too far. Ah, oh no, Abby, I am covered. Oh. We reset you.
We are covered in mud. I think we have more mud on ourselves.
Look at this on me.
I told Nathan it looks like Amelia's baby poop.
Oh, geez, Abby. Okay. That is a tough little spot.
I don't know how you did that.
Very careful, slow, and a lot of luck, I think.
That tire is just
Mosquitoes are bad right now. It's just got done raining. There you go. That's it. Now you got to get that. Now, if you get that front tire, the front right tire down there, now I think you can just hop it up like I did. Okay, okay, almost. Okay, okay. Now you go slow, because if you go fast here, it'll flip it down. Oh no, no, no! Oh, oh, Here we go. I'm gonna get muddy again. Woo!
No, there's a puddle.
No, 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 no. I don't think we've ever been so muddy. I even fell while a drone was chasing me and I didn't get this muddy. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna go through the water here just a little section by that Mountain Dew bottle. And then I think I wanna try the hill again while we're standing down here. And as I said, this video might be just a little bit short, but you'll probably see more of this at Horizon RC Fest in our videos. We'll be doing something because I think this is gonna be probably one of the #1 trucks that we bring. But again, I wanna hear from you guys. Please tell me in the comments, what truck would you like to see me bring? If I could only bring one truck, and realistically I might only be able to bring one truck, which truck would that be? That just climbs right up that, even in that wet mud.
Definitely want it to be a crawler though, right?
I think so, because they're gonna have a King of the Hill thing,
yeah,
4 crawlers.
Try that.
I think it's just crawlers, but it might be all trucks. And then they're gonna have really cool...
Oh my gosh, it's just sliding down.
They're gonna have a really cool crawling course, yeah, like a competitive crawling course, I guess. Whoever can make it the farthest, the fastest, I think wins. That'll be a really, really cool event to see. It's a shame to see that trash there, but I didn't want to go through the deep part of the water. I mean, I think this could probably go through that water, but I can't remember exactly how deep that is, so I didn't want to hit it. It is waterproof, it's just not lake proof or pond proof. So one more time up the hill, I think, and then we'll wrap this up because this is so cool. Now, I would say we'd have this truck linked in the description box below, but unfortunately a lot of ECX stuff, I believe maybe all of ECX stuff, is not sold online. I think I got stuck on like a plant there or something.
Yeah, it's in stores only.
In stores only. So, but I bet they'll probably have these for sale at Horizon's event, I would say. I might be wrong. I might be wrong.
I would think they would have stuff for sale.
I would think so.
I don't know though. We've never been.
What would you guys like to see me come home with? So I'll bring a truck.
So you have to make sure you have a room to bring stuff home.
Yes, absolutely. You can't go to an event and not bring something home. Jeez. Especially us, we're the RC Sailors. Come on. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm very happy with its climbability. I had to clean those tires off. Look at that, just a little splash of water and our tires are pretty clean. Got that big glop of mud there on the top. Well, I am so excited to go to RC Fest. We will see you guys there, possibly with this, depending on what you tell us in the comments section below. It needs to be something we have already on the channel for your recommendation. And then you can also, in the same comment, recommend something that maybe we should buy while we're there. I'm hoping they've got stores there. We will see. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. And if you want to see a really cool, another new 10th scale crawler we got, we will link our axial deadbolt, axial SCX2 deadbolt unboxing at the end of this video. So please check that one out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.